do you want to see? What do you want to
You better wait here. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Even 10 minutes is a long time to be awake.
Before I begin, I noticed that most viewers of this channel haven't subscribed yet. If you want to be updated whenever I upload new videos, please subscribe to my channel and be part of our growing community. Lastly, don't skip ads to support the channel. Thanks, and I love you so much.
Everything, know that I'm here missing you. Want you right here in my arms. You're the only one. Are you even listening? Are you even listening? Are you even listening? I need you to come through, but you always fall through. Are you even listening? You don't even know what you do to me. Honestly, don't care why. 'Cause I want you right back. And I know you know that. Why you never call me back? Tell me what's up with that. What's up with that? What's up with that?
You been playing with me, you've been ducking and dodging. I've been falling for you and I'm throwing my heart in. I've been falling for you and I'm throwing my heart in. You never called me when you left. 24/7, I'll be hitting you back. Got me feeling anxious and I need none of that. It's a numbers game for you. Oh, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knew you were gone when you walked out the door. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got me falling for you, leaving me one more. You never called me when you left. 24/7, I'll be wanting you back. Looking at my phone, seeing if you hear me back. It's a numbers game for you.
You don't even know what you do to me. Honestly.
Don't make a bitch wanna hit snooze. Ooh, can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight.